Social anxiety I feel, and I done been this way for some years. I don't really get along with my peers. Everything that they do to me is weird. So in a world full of weirdos, fools and scrubs, tell me what is it you're willing to do for love? You know it's true that the dating pool is fucked. Ain't nobody out here, baby, it just be. And I know when I know a broken heart when I see you. And I feel like I love you more. Did you know? I'm a shoulder if you need one. When I feel what I feel, keep it real, what's a bill?
I'ma break your back. I'ma break your back. I'ma break your
somewhere we could be alone, with me alone. I remember being 21 when my life had just begun. 22, many things to see and do. 23, looking for the 24th. Just me, it ain't no love no more.
I'ma break your back. 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 I'ma break your
somewhere we could be alone, with me alone. I remember being 21 when my life had just begun. 22, many things to see and do. 23, looking for the 24th. Just me, it ain't no love no more.
I'ma break your back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amy and welcome back to a new video. So as you can see, I was meal prepping for the week. I made ground beef with roasted sweet potatoes and is it green beans? I don't know, y'all. But I do meal prep and I try to get ready for the week. Like I washed my hair because my hair was super oily. So I had to wash it. I'm about to put my bonnet on. I wanted to start incorporating like dental assistant diaries, like me getting ready for the work week or how I get ready with me. I do not plan on like bringing you guys along to my job for like safety reasons. And then I don't want my job to be like, oh, why are you recording? You know, like just like extra stuff. Because yeah, I don't want no problems with these people. But like I just love getting ready for work because I do work in a pediatric dentistry and I love being a dental assistant. So I just love like, you know, getting ready and just wearing cute fun colors. And I just love wearing like cute fun colors at work. I don't know what scrubs I'm going to wear tomorrow. I was thinking about like wearing like some pink scrubs. I'm gonna be changing my work purse / my everyday purse. So that's what I'm about to do now. This is my work bag for right now. It's the pink Lululemon shoulder bag. And I'm actually going to be switching it. I do have the black one. So I'm going to be switching my work bag. Because I need to give this pink one a break. I did get this little Hello Kitty keychain thing to hang on my purse because it matches. I'm going to add my Hello Kitty Touchland hand sanitizer. I'm still going to use my strawberry shortcake little like card holder. I've had this for a little while. She's too cute. And I'm going to use this coin pouch. I did get it from Shein and it's just so cute. It's like oink oink. I had this hair clip in my last purse, so I'm gonna still use it. I'm gonna use this red Hello Kitty pouch. I'm gonna put hair ties, hairbrush. This really comes in handy. I like it. Pen. I'm gonna put my pen because I always need a pen. You know, little pads. My Advil in case I have a headache. And I have a charging cube just in case I need it. I'm also gonna add like these little breast strips. This is my pouch all filled up. In the inside pockets, I'm gonna add my mouthwash, my deodorant, this lip oil. For my lotion, I'm going to be putting this EOS hand lotion. And I also have this EOS vanilla cashmere lotion. This smells really good. And you guys, I got this keychain from Shein as well. And it's matches the vibes, like this really matching. It's so cute. It's like flowers. And it's like knitted. Y'all peep the Hello Kitty key. I got this Hello Kitty black phone case. I'm still so sleepy. Time to choose my scrubs, and I did say I wanted to wear pink, so I have like these 3 type of pinks. The middle one is like a lighter pink, and it's figs, and then the other 2 are mandala, and it's like a brighter pink. I don't know why it looks like orangey on camera, and then this pink. So mandala versus figs. I feel like figs is softer, and the material like feels a little bit like, I don't know, it feels like softer. But I like mandala like because I like both. Mandala is more affordable than figs. Figs is like I do like mandala because they're waterproof. I'm gonna go with this color from mandala. Oh, insert the color because I don't know. And actually the pants, I like to wear wide-legged pants, but with these scrub pants I did accidentally order the joggers, which they look fine. I just don't like the jogger pants that much. But these are like the jogger pants. I'm gonna wear this bow on my hair because it kind of like matches the uniform. I think it matches perfectly. But I need to hurry up because I also need to get my daughter ready. Yep, and I kind of woke a little bit late, so yeah. Like this. I feel like I look like an egg or a cheerleader or something. Yeah, these little breakouts. These breakouts is like. Okay, guys, so this is better lighting, better area to show you guys my outfit. So the shoes that I'm gonna wear are these New Balances. They're really comfortable. I really like them. I don't know like what type of shoes they are. Sometimes, oh, it's a 960s. I don't know. Shoes. The hair. Oh, girl, you sleepy? For my lunch, I'm taking my meal prep. I'm taking this protein yogurt. You guys, this is a mini popping. So I'm so glad that they actually make mini ones because sometimes like the regular bottle is like too much. Banana does kind of look green, but yeah, I promise it's not green. Like some almonds to snack on. But yeah, to be honest, like when you're assisting, you don't have time to really like eat, drink, or nothing. So that's all I'm taking. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little dental assistant series, me getting ready for work. So comment down below what else you want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.